Hey guys, we're back. This is a 2011 Impreza sedan. I'm going to show you guys how to take off the right side tail light. Again, you got that little black clip right here. You see right there. And then push back on this deal right here. Pull this out. Aha, look. There's one more right here. Take your handy dandy number 8. One, two, three. You gotta remove this little guy from here, the harness. Boom. Now, stick my there's a lot of dirt and stuff in this one. It's stuck on the. You can push it from the bottom back of the taillight too, in here, and it will slide out. And again, there's a little clip in here. Push. This guy, push this right here, and pops out. The same way going back in, make sure that this guy right here slides into that little white piece on the right here, slides into that, and you'll be fine. That's it for this car.